G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do another flip cup pour, this time using Brilliant Violet, Brilliant Magenta, Jaune Brilliant, Turner's Yellow, a combination of gold from Pebeo, and these are iridescent precious gold on the left and iridescent gold on the right, and then titanium white. Now I'm just going to be using my standard pouring medium for this, so I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. Now in using the Pebeo paints, they're quite a lot thicker than the Jo Sonjas, and so I start by mixing them just with a very small amount of pouring medium before adding more. So now it's time to add some more pouring medium to these Pebeo paints. And because these Pebeo paints are so viscous, I'm going to add some water as well. So now it's time to layer my cup, and for this I'm going to use my standard cell activator. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. And I'm going to start with a generous layer of the cell activator on the bottom of the cup. Now in this color combination I have some complementary colors and I don't want them next to each other, so I have deliberately added the gold and the white in here so I can separate the yellow from the violet, because if the complementary colors come together and mix, then they'll likely make brown. So I've already prepared my canvas. I've added painter's tape to the back as well as giant push pins. So it's time to flip the cup now. just going to get the rest of the paint out of the cup and cover the edges and the corners with it. Now on this one I'm loving both this beautiful lacing here as well as these beautiful colours, so I'm going to see if I can retain those by first pulling a bit of the paint down in this direction and then spinning this very gently. Just see if I can help this corner get covered a bit. And now I need to cover this last corner. This one's quite interesting overall. I've managed to get the lacing to cover the layers here and the titanium white inside the cells layering over the top of the violet up in that top corner. That's very interesting. I've retained some of the layers, some of the lines that were introduced originally here. I've got a lot of bubbles in this lot, and I'm not 100% sure why. It might be related to the Pebeo paints that are quite a lot thicker and hence retain the bubbles more.